A quick breakfast that not only has plant protein but can also detoxify your body, boost your digestion, and keep you energized? Impossible, you think? Not at all. Let's make the all-powerful Moong Moringa Dosa. Welcome to the Dosha kitchen. Let's start off with soaking the moong dal for an hour. It is possible to blend it without soaking, but it can get heavy on your digestive system, so try to soak it for at least an hour. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We have 1 cup of yellow split moong dal, salt and lemon as per your taste, moringa leaves, coriander leaves, and ginger. If you are intrigued by now, then save this recipe to come back to it, or here is a screenshot worthy ingredient list that you can refer to anytime. Time to start putting all of it together. It's simple really, just blend all ingredients together in a blender or a mixer. If you use a mixer, run it on the lowest mode. It's more crunchy and tasty when it's a little grainy. Add a little water only if you have to, just enough for it to be able to blend. You can always add water later if it's too thick, you won't be able to remove it afterwards. Beautifully smooth and grainy texture. Now, off to the tawa. You need to preheat it, and this is going to be little different from the ragi dosa we made before. If you've not seen it yet, then the link is in the top right corner. The pan needs to be medium hot so the dosa can spread out properly. If it gets too hot, then sprinkle a little water to cool it down, just like the street dosa wala. It may take a couple of tries if you are new to dosas, but trust me, it tastes good any way it comes out. Drizzle a little A2 ghee. The ghee not only adds flavor, it also maximizes absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from the dal. If your dosa has not turned out thin, then I recommend to flip it and cook it for a bit. I'm going to speed up the video a little now, and you'll literally see that dosa getting that nice brown crispy texture. Our dosa is done. We pair it with some fresh mint and coriander or even coconut chutney. I wish I could share this yummy dosa with you. Let me know in the comments if you try this out and how did you like it. If you're ready to bring mindful ancestral cooking into your daily routine, then hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below.